Okay, guys, this is valuable stuff. You can see how they're talking right here. This guy's like trying to teach them. Things will break if this is overridden. The magic margin used to hide the elements, real scroll bars. See overridden, hidden, and code mirror. Prevent dragging from highlighting the element. The fake visible scroll bars used to force redraw during scrolling before actual scrolling happens, this thus preventing shaking and flickering artifacts. These are just his instructions. Prevents collapsing before first draw. Reset some styles that the rest of the page might have set. Force widgets margins to stay inside the container. Use to force a border model for a node. Hide the cursor when printing. Helps users mark selection to safely. See, I don't know. See issue, and then there's this issue here. Open color picker. So I'm just gonna show you guys some of this stuff. Why am I in here? Because these guys have destroyed everything. I've never even seen this part, but I will tell you that I'm thinking I should just go either destroy it all or what? What is this? Anthony Rick at webkit.org. Redistribution of this and use and source are binary forms with or without modification are permitted, provided that the following conditions are met. See, why is this on a Chromebook? Why is this Apple software running on a Chromebook? Chrome specific scrolling anchor opt out. Synced with console message. Console error level repeat message. I've never been here, so I'm not. So if I should, I'm thinking like I'm in their base finally, or whatever. So I should just start nuking everything, because I don't give a fuck about anything. Not this computer, not anything on it. I just want these guys to fucking stop harassing me. So I'm like, I just want to burn the walls down if I'm inside. So that's where I'm at with this. Like, I might just start nuking this shit. And when I say nuke, I'm just saying I get in here, I just start just typing anything. Maybe something like this. Oh no, I'll go something like this, and I'll type in use, and then more asterisks. So then, if they try to open the file, it'll say this file's in use, and they won't be able to open it to change it back. Or maybe just something like Windows error. Just go like, but if it's not Windows error, then I might type in something like iOS cannot read or cannot open. something like that. And people say, just leave it alone. No. It's not like that, bro. If I leave it alone, if I do nothing, it still happens. If I do this, maybe I'll fuck something up, and maybe they'll stop. I mean, they haven't over 6 years, so I never even. Oh, see, now I'm back to where I can't access it. See, certain files, I just can't do that. So here we go. I'm good again, but you know, and do you think I care if my browser's fucked up? Absolutely not, because it is fucked up already. So it's not like you can't, you know, it's sort of like killing a horse twice. You know, not like I'd ever kill a horse, I'm just saying. You know, let's bury him. Okay, rebury him. That's basically. So, iOS cannot open. Or maybe access, I don't know. And then I'll just take these and then I'll just copy them. One thing I hope, oh jeez. One thing I have done, I've taken some of their own coding. That's how I got it in here. I took some of their own coding and I just copy and pasted it in some fucked up areas, and all of a sudden this screen appeared for the first time. So I don't know what to say or what to do. No one helps. iOS cannot open. I mean, if that's what they're using, Apple, to hack into a Chromebook, then we will. Let's highlight this here. Do Control C, a little Control V, test it out. There you go. But if you see, then it makes this where if it's been modified, then it puts an asterisk by it. So look at this sources panel. Neither the name of Google nor any of its contributors may be used to endorse or promote products derived from this software. Huh. And you think it's a Chromebook. So if Chrome can't use it, then or Google can't use it, then I don't want it. You know, right? Because they're supposed to be my friends. You know, supposed to be looking out. Was this UI searchable views? Let's just go down here. You see a lot of things like replace dummy, or look at that toolbar, replace control, or fake, things like that. And it's just, this is Rick at webkit.org again, Anthony Ricard. He copyrighted this. So hopefully you guys see that. Make sure you guys see that. Anthony Ricard. So hey bud, if you're doing this, you know, you're committing a capital offense. Getting me fired from 5 jobs like that. That's classified as attempted murder, pal. So, and if you would rather just meet in person and talk about this, that'd be great. Because I will take your life. Because you've taken mine, so. Everyone, family, friends, my time, nonstop. Oh, I'll tell the FBI that too. I mean, if I do find these people, I'm gonna kill them. I'm gonna kill them because no one's gonna help me find them. Everyone just slams the door in my face. Oh no, you can't say that. You can't say you're gonna do that. Well, really? Really? I can't. Well, go find a victim because I guess this is okay for them to do this to me. You know, object pattern cannot contain gutter or setter. Interesting. Right? What does it say? Parse. Here, I'm going to be getting to some good stuff here in a minute. I mean, I think this is all good for developers if they were really to pay attention. See what is destructive errors? I mean, just this only validates meta property for the new target. Parenthesized expression, okay? Don't know what any of this means, but this is under bundled formatter worker JavaScript. See, these are the binary forms of this split widget. So, shadow split widget, hide, things like that. No, I don't know coding. No, you're right, I don't. But I do know something's fucked up in my life. And I think, look at this, changes. Okay, changes module. So changes highlighter. Okay, let's go down. Let's go down. I would have gone live, but they wouldn't let me. Maybe if I had 1,000 subscribers, then I could just stream this and just go down and have people message me and say, oh no, go to that file. I want to see what that says. Because I want to know how to do this. I want to know how to hack into someone's life and fucking destroy every aspect of it. Why you'd want to know that, I don't know. Look at this overlay module. Well, it's all in red. I don't know what that means, but rendered times. I can't tell you how many times I've seen bad clock, things like that. This value will not be collected until console is clear. Okay, how about we do this? Throw a couple of my little cues in there. I don't know. There's a cookie table module. Then if we save it, the asterisk does go away, but then it saves the file right there. So I'm like, okay, what am I going to save the file right there? Anyway, data grid. Delete callback. I'm telling you, this is just not normal. None of this is. So this is how I got in here. Basically, I just did something like this. I copied some of their stuff with my little wrench in the spokes kind of thing. I just copied it, and then I started pasting it in these things, and then more folders started appearing that I'd never seen. Inconsistent with grid, node can't. See, I don't know this, and I don't want runtime data grid. Okay, I never wanted to know this. I just wanted to stop. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't. So anyway, just that like that. I don't care about fine. But here are the elements. Elements toggle search here. So I just oh, you shouldn't mess with something you don't know. Yeah, no. Fuck that. Tell me anything like that, because I've tried to run. I've 37 different phone numbers, right? So I've had 74 Windows computers. 74. Shadow root in depth. Ooh. Elements gutter decoration. See, this is the shit that I'm seeing. It's not good. So I figured if I just screwed up the elements, then I might screw up their element. You know. But yeah, when I say I've tried to run, oh, I have. I've tried to hide. I've tried to do all that, but no. Oh, just go off the grid, man. No. You go fucking off the grid. A, I shouldn't have to fucking do that. B, I have done that. And it still didn't work. Right when I got back on. Plus, you can't get a job. Or a decent job. Oh, look at that. And now it's all gone. See, what I did was in over here. No, it's not gone. I'll find it again. But you can see this here. This is the warning Chrome's trying to tell me about. So, no idea. So start throwing that shit in there, you know. See what they like about that. You know, and then we'll go here to like add an attribute. I don't know. Add that. Here, how about that? How about we this one right here, this is the HTML. Here, take a little bit of that. How about that? See if that works for you. You know, and we will let's force the element to be active. You know? Because it's corrupted now, so might as well force that shit. Like they force me to deal with this every day. Yeah, so oh, you could just go do something else. Oh yeah. Of course. Yeah, like, you know, I don't want to have to dig ditches forever. You know, it's the only labor that allow me to do, because they can't stop that. They can't stop me from physically working. But I can tell you, you know, it's 6 years of it. It wears on a person. You know, because then I get to come home to a phone or a computer that's jacked. Okay, stay away from computers and phones. Okay, yeah, and then is that even possible? You have to be able to call your boss, right? So, no, any phone, doesn't matter. So someone can disable me from ever having a phone again. And that's legal? Is it legal? Fuck no, it's not legal. There's nothing fucking legal about that. It's torture, dude. So I'll tell you that, dude. It's what it is. It's fucking torture. Like right here, let's do something like this. And then I started just pressing tab. And then like initial. Enter. See if that, and then you can just press a letter and you can see all the shit that they've been using. Back face visibility. Enter. Tab. Then I started putting in www.ic3.gov and thinking, oh wow, if they saw the FBI was, you know, or someone was investigating, then they might back off there. No, they didn't. So here, let's go over here to the event listener so you guys can just see. Hopefully you can here. At least this. And I guess I don't. Maybe I need a GoPro to hold my camera. Just mount this fucker on my chest next time. I really will. So then, like, oh, just remove them all. Oh, that sounds like how about that? That's fucking, I never thought of that. Yeah, fucking everything. I removed it over and over and over. But now look. Oh, see, now I'm back to inside the file. So I can manipulate a little bit. You should just, I should just have you guys read some of this guy's freaking antics. He's typed in, I am the best, I am the greatest. There's no one can be as great as me. I see that signature all the time. I am the best, I am the greatest. Well, you're also a fucking pussy, dude. That you need to hide behind screens. Punch people, sucker punch them. Hit them when they're not looking, or where they can't hit you back. You're so tough, bro. You're so tough. Would you make it fair? I'll tell you what, I'll tie my fucking arms behind my back, and I will still fucking kick the shit out of you. And all your friends. No, give me one arm. If you bring all your friends, both of them. Anyway. Like, what's this one? HTML. This is the Polymer HTML, so this is it. JavaScript Polymer config. Oh, no. That's bullshit. It doesn't let me in. And they had turned off both my monitors, so that's why I was doing this even today. So he's trying to play a game, as I was also looking for static vinyl stickers. Sounds a little bizarre, but it's fun. Anyway, I'm gonna shut this down. Watch, it's going to say deprecated file. Here's the warning. Just get rid of that. The warning is deprecated right here. This will be removed in M80 around February 2020. We're past that. Anyway, guys, another day. My life, and I have nothing to look forward to today. I can get back to that. I know I can. Here. And I bet you they pulled me out of that because I was getting somewhere. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming and start nuking.